How to add the here notifications allowed routine on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we go down, then tap on modes and routines. After that, tap on the routines tab. Then we go to the top and tap on the discover button. Then in here, we go down and tap on all routines. Then we scroll down and tap on here, notifications allowed. And then we go down and we check the if conditions. So if headphones is connected and place, we'll tap on that and we need to set a place. So in here you can choose my current location, home, work, or pick a place. So let's say I'm going to choose work, and then it said here you can choose your radius, so you can move in or move out. And then when I leave or when I arrive, and here it says to improve accuracy, add Wi-Fi network to help your phone detect this place more accurately. So tap on done. So here we have set when headphones or wired headphones is connected in a place, then your phone will read notifications allowed. When those conditions are not true or when it's not met, so when you disconnected the wired headphones, then these routines will be switched off. And here it will read notifications allowed, and the phone will return the status to normal when when we leave the place. So tap on saved, and then tap on the back here, and here you can see the routines has been added, and the routines will automatically be switched on or turned off depending if the conditions are met or not. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.